The overall goal of this procedure is to introduce a more precise and effective repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation method using a neuronavigational system targeting the Broca's area for patients with post-stroke aphasia.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of aphasia neurorehabilitation by showing that delivery of rTMS using a neuronavigational system is superior to using a 1020 EEG system. The main advantage of this technique is that rTMS can be delivered to the optimal target in the brain in order to maximize its effect.
Though this method can provide insight into the application of neuronavigational rTMS on Broca's area, it can also be applied to the other areas of the brain, such as M1 for motor weakness or posterior parietal cortex for neglect following stroke.
We first had the idea for this method when we recognized the errors of the conventional TMS targeting based on the 1020 EEG system.
To determine the resting motor threshold, first place the active electrode on the left first dorsal interosseous, or FDI, muscle. Then, deliver 10 consecutive stimulations to the right M1 area at a 4 to 6 second interstimulus interval, checking the contraction of the left FDI muscle. Determine the subject's resting motor threshold by using the minimum TMS intensity at which a peak-to-peak motor-evoked potential, or MEP, amplitude greater than 50 microvolts is produced at least 5